everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest 10.1-inch DVD players that they come with the top loader, automatic top loader. So basically the DVD sucks in automatically from the top of the unit. These units, same as before, they all come with the HDMI, USB, SD card, and input for cigarette lighter charger or for headphones input. And we did a hard wiring through the seats, so there is no wire exposed out. So the way that it works, by touching the open button, the DVD comes out automatically, and by putting it in, it goes in automatically too. If you're interested to get these type of DVD players, right now I'm sharing the same movie on these ones. You can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and book your appointment for these units. And as you can see, I can choose the source by holding the power button. The source, you can choose it. Right now there is no card in the SD card, but I can choose HDMI, I can choose as a DVD player or USB. So if I choose DVD player, basically it plays whatever DVD is inside this unit, which is different from the other one. So right now we are playing different movie on first unit and a different movie on the second. Again, if you're interested to get these type of units, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.